Opportunities to develop your Welsh while studying at University of Wales, Trinity St David's. Now that you have started at University of Wales, Trinity St David's, you may be interested in having the opportunity to use your Welsh or to brush up on the skills you already have, or you may not know anything about the Welsh language but you want to learn. At whatever stage of that journey you are, we can support you. Academically, there are modules available at level 4, 5 and 6 that you can follow either bilingually, and you may complete these assignments in Welsh also. For example, at level 4, modules such as Learning in the Digital Era and Contemporary Challenges, Making a Difference are all available in Welsh and English. Across University of Wales, Trinity St David's, there are numerous lecturers and senior lecturers that would be available to converse with you and support you in Welsh. Some may be fluent and some may be learners themselves who may also appreciate having the opportunity to use the language day to day. Also, in various departments across the university, there are lecturers who, like myself, are employed by Coleg Cymraeg Cenedlaethol, whose role it is to support you with your studies. For example, with oral presentations or academic writing, or just to meet now and again to drop in and have a paned o de, cup of tea, to chat in Welsh. To further support students at Carmarthen campus, Bethan Wyn from Coleg Cymraeg Cenedlaethol is available. In addition to the funds available from Coleg Cymraeg Cenedlaethol mentioned here, the university has bursaries and scholarships, and application forms for this year can be found at UWTSD bursary page. For example, bursaries are available for studying some of your modules and credits bilingually and or in Welsh. Courses to learn Welsh are available with Rhagoriaeth, who are based at Carmarthen campus. See rhagoriaeth.cymru for further details. Also, we encourage our students to follow a free online courses prepared by the National Centre for Learning Welsh. These you complete in your own time and at your own pace. Penarth is a bilingual publishing company based at Carmarthen campus, and some of their books and resources would support you in writing in Welsh also. Annually, our student services are highly praised by our students across all campuses, and there are experienced members of staff there who would gladly support you with your academic work in English and in Welsh. Our Student Union holds numerous events over the year, for example, local Welsh bands play live gigs, and for more information about the programme of events, see their website at uwtsdunion.co.uk. On Carmarthen campus, we also have a Welsh Society, which is not exclusive to Welsh speakers only, as learners are more than welcome to join and to participate in the events planned for the year. Opposite the main building reception for the Carmarthen campus, there is a building called Yr Egin, which is the headquarters for S4C, Wales's TV channel. Here, numerous local businesses have their offices also, and on the ground floor of this building, there's a cafe which is open to the public, and they sell wonderful homemade cakes, a wonderful place for us to meet and have a chat.
Mae'n bleser i fod yma, a diolch yn fawr am y gwahoddiad i fod yma ar y cwrs i agor yn swyddogol ar ei hyn yma yng Nghaerfyrddin. Diolch yn fawr.
Hopefully, this has given you a flavour of what you have on offer to support you along your personal journey with your interest in learning Welsh while studying with us at University of Wales, Trinity St David's. So seek out support for your studies, get involved with clubs, committees and become an active part of the community. All the very best. Hwyl fawr.